Good morning, student. Today we have discuss about syllabus and question paper pattern. In ninth standard, the subject name is science and technology. But in last year, the subject name is only general science. But in ninth standard, the subject name is science and technology. In science and technology, two parts are there. Part first and part second are there. Part first include some lessons are physics and some lessons are there chemistry. In part second also biology and the some lessons are there environmental science. The total subject marks is 100 marks are there, but 20 marks are there practical and 80 marks are the theory paper. The science part first, the science part first, the science part first, the science part first is 40 marks and science part second is 40 marks and practical remaining 20 marks are there. Practical, how many marks are there? 20 marks. Total marks are there 100 marks. But science part first 40 marks are theory are there and science part second 40 marks are the theory. In part first, some lessons are include physics and and chemistry. In part second, some lessons are there biology and environmental science. We will discuss the first part here. Theory paper 40 marks is first lesson physics laws of motion. Second lesson also physics work and energy. Third lesson current electricity also physics. Then lesson number 4 chemistry measurement of matter and also chemistry. Fifth lesson also chemistry is acid bases and salts is the first part syllabus in first semester. Then part second first semester syllabus are there. First 6 number lesson number 6 is the classification of plants and 7 number lesson is the energy flow in an ecosystem. Then lesson number 8 is useful and harmful microbes. Then lesson number 9 is environment management. Then lesson number 10 is the information communication technology. The science part first 5 lessons are there in first semester and part second also 5 lessons are there in first semester. Okay, so total theory marks part first also 40 and part second also 40. So we have to discuss about the question paper pattern. In ninth standard, the question paper pattern, the part first, how many marks are there? Science part first theory is 40 marks part first and two papers are there. Part first 40 marks and part second also 40 marks. Two papers are there separate. In part first question in part first question paper pattern, question first is two sub questions are there. First A is the multiple choice question. In multiple choice question, how many questions are there? 5 questions are there and in each having 1 marks and total question first A is the 5 marks. And also question first B is objective type of question. Objective type of question, which type of question? As in question first B is the also match the pair, then write correlation, then find odd one out, then true or false, complete the flowchart. All these type of question asked in question first B also. The question first A MCQ also 5 marks and question first B also 5 marks. Total marks question first is 10 marks. Then question second, the question second also two sub questions are there. Question second A is give scientific reason. How many reasons are there? Question second A 3 scientific reason are there. But solve any two. One questions are in choice. Any two questions, but in each question having how many marks are there? 2 marks, and total marks is 4 marks. Here 3 questions are there scientific reason, but only choose 2 questions. But here give scientific reason, so 50% weightage on physics and 50% weightage on chemistry type of questions. Then question second B is answer the following questions. How many questions are there in question second B? Total 5 questions are there, but solve only any 3, and in each having how many marks are there? 6 marks are there. But which type of questions? In question second B, solve the numericals. Then which type of also questions? Complete the diagram. Then difference between, complete the flow chart. All these type of questions are in question second B. And total question second A and B is the how many marks? 10 marks are there. Question first also 10 marks, question second also 10 marks are there. Then question 3 is the answer the following questions. In answer the following questions, how many questions are there? 8 questions are there, but solve any 5, and in each question having how many marks are there? 3 marks are there, and total 4 questions are 15 marks. And in question third, which type of questions are there? Is in question third, solve the numericals. Then activity type of questions, base questions are there. Then complete the diagram, write notes on, complete the flow charts. All these type of questions are in question third. And question fourth is the answer the following questions. How many questions are there? 2 questions are there, but solve any one. And so total question is the 5 marks. And which type of questions are there in answer the following questions? Complete the diagram. Then also paragraphs are there, and answer the following questions on based on the paragraph. All these type of questions are in answer in question number 4. And also long answer questions also include are there. Means in answer the following questions are any 2 are there, but here solve any 1, and 5 marks. So total question 4 are there in question paper. Part first also and part second also 4 questions are there. Same as it is pattern, science part first and also science part second. So total question are there 4 questions. First question 10 marks, second question 10 marks, third question 15 marks, and fourth question is the 5 marks. Total marks are there 10 plus 10 20 plus 15 35, and fourth number question also 5 marks, and total marks are there 40 marks are there. Means science part first, how many marks are there? 40 marks. And also that also same as weightage, as it is science question paper pattern, science second also 40 marks are there. Same pattern like as the part first, but only changes here. Give scientific reason here. Biology 50% and 50% weightage are on their environmental science and also ICT type of question on lesson on the information communication technology. So all the question paper pattern, science part first and science part second. Only change here in science part first is physics and chemistry lessons are there, and part second also biology and environmental science. Only here the difference, question paper pattern, science part first and science part second. So whole questions paper are include all these questions are there, and we will start the for science part first, lesson number 1 is laws of motion. Then we will start this topic in next video. Thank you.